Hi, my name is Edgar Ramirez. I'm doing an internship here at Girt at the New Jersey Militia Museum of the National Guard, and I'm here to talk about this tank right here. So Cullen was the one who invented this Rhino Plow after D-Day landing, and it was mostly used to cutting trees and barbed wires that were used during the Normandy and the beaches. So Cullen was in the 102nd Cavalry and the National Guard Essex troops in 1944. And he invented this idea. And like I said, it was used to dance the hedgerows of the German hedgerows of Normandy, and it was a key factor in success during the operation of Cobra in 1944. They break out from the Normandy beachhead during July 25 through 31 of 1944. And you can see around here, this was used, like I was saying, the idea, and it was used to go anything, barbed wires, during forest, trees, anything. So it was really a good idea, and he was given credit for trying to think of it like as a hero during World War II of a great success he did, and after the landing of Normandy.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. For more exclusive content about this museum, check in the description below where you will find the YouTube channel of the museum. Better yet, if you're in the area, go check out the museum. It's one thing to see it on YouTube, it's another thing to see it in person. Thanks for watching.